Enter George Stephenson, an English engineer who would become known as the father of railways. In 1814, Stephenson built his first locomotive, the Blucher, which was used to haul coal at the Killingworth colliery. However, it was his later invention that would make history. 1825, George Stephenson and his son Robert designed and built the Locomotion No. 1, the first steam locomotive to carry passengers on a public railway. On September 27, 1825, the Locomotion No. 1. This momentous journey covered a distance of about 25 miles and